guys, so thank you for joining me. This will be the wreath that I'll be giving away. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end if you're interested in creating this for yourself. Also, to qualify for this giveaway, it's important you remember to subscribe and comment on the first video that I did, the first wreath tutorial video, and state if you want this one, the wreath, or the stairway swags. Thank you so much. Remember, you have to subscribe and comment below in order to qualify to win this wreath. It's a white wreath. I got it from Michael's. All the supplies I've been using, remember I mentioned in the first video, they're all from Michael's. So first I'm going to do is cut the stem of this off, okay? Okay, so we have the space in between because we're going to add flowers, and it looks pretty nice so far. So this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to add the rest of the items that I have to complete the look. This is what it looks like. Okay, and it is so pretty. What you guys think? I'm going to insert a clip on the screen to show you what it looks like on the door. So now guys, this is going to be the giveaway. If you're interested in this, it's one of the giveaways. You just mentioned in the comment section that you're interested in the wreath. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to look out for the other videos because there is more giveaways, okay? I'm going to link in the description area where you can find items that you can make a similar wreath if you don't want to go to Michael's. Thank you guys. Bye.